Okay, so I was really stupid and set my status to if I get 25 likes, I'll do the cinnamon challenge. Um, Not quite what I expected, and got over 40 likes instead. Um, so yeah, I kind of have to do that now. So I went to Co-op and bought some cinnamon. Here we go. Okay, just so you believe me. I've got a glass of water. Yeah. For when I choke my guts up. Um, and yeah, so basically that's it. So I've got my tablespoon here. Gonna put some cinnamon on it. Won't come out. Ugh, fuck it. Oh fuck! It's on my laptop. Ooh, cinnamon on my laptop. Okay. It's on my bed. Sofa. Gonna get a tissue. Right. Holy shit. Okay. What it's doing? It keeps getting stuck. Okay. Right. I think I've got enough. It looks a bit rank on cam. Oh, it stinks as well. Okay. Right. Shit, it's all over my bed. Okay. Ready? Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh, oh, oh shit. I drank out the wrong one. Oh, ugh. Why don't I look attractive? I have cinnamon all over my face and all over my bed and my laptop. So I think that's safe to say that I failed that completely. And I don't like cinnamon at all. And oh, eh, oh, good God, that is terrible. Don't do this, okay? Okay, don't do that, okay? That is the most vile thing ever. Ugh. Ugh. And that's all for now. Oh, sorry guys.